Yo guys, it's the first quarter of 2018. This is the small bits and pieces of information that are dramas that are going on in the tech company, especially the phones company. What is there, what is not there, what is amazing. Okay, on the second week of January there was CSE, and there's like one of the biggest thing that was displayed by iPhone usually never go there, but it was in Las Vegas, by the way, Las Vegas, USA. So many companies were there, but iPhone dramatically decided to only do or display only one thing. This. Can you see? It was an ad talking about what happens in your phone stays in your phone. It's like what happens in Vegas stays in Vegas. But dramatically, a few weeks later, a 15-year-old kid comes and finds out that there is a few steps to this, that if you decided to, I'm sorry for the noise by the way, that if you decide to FaceTime someone and then you stop, I think, and then you FaceTime yourself, something like that, a lot of drama is going there. You'll find out that before that person can answer that call, the FaceTime starts or opens, and you can hear and see everything that is happening on the other side of the other iPhone user. Maybe someone has old photos of you current videos, but whatever the case, Apple, after finding out that, it is said that the kid told the parent told Apple a few times, decided to post it till the post went viral. The next day, kapush, Apple shuts down FaceTime until it was edited, it was removed the bug, and then it was, I think it's already back. I'm not an iPhone user, I decided to run away from that. FaceTime, group FaceTime was a problem. So after that, the problem was supposedly solved, but it came to be found out that there are apps that are in the Apple Store that allow a person that record or screen record what you are doing, what you are tapping, and then the information is sent to the owners of the company. How many secrets of yours are already out there? You never know. But that was the sad thing that was going on for Apple. And coming to Huawei, which has been having a rough time since December, whereby Huawei's CFO, a Chief Financial Officer, who is the daughter of the owner of Huawei, was captured in Canada. She was changing flights, I don't know going from where or coming from where, but she landed on Canadian soil or Canadian airport, denied the chance of taking another flight, leaving Canada, saying that she had done illegal things in the US. The US government had asked Canada to prevent her from leaving the country, like a lot of drama was there, but she was prevented from traveling again for a few days. But later she was released with a lot of drama. But the thing is, currently there's this tough situation that is happening for Huawei. There are a lot of allegations, there are a lot of preventions, there are a lot of limits, a lot of things. First of all, Huawei has been denied selling of its devices in a lot of countries. In the US, in many European countries, it's a lot of market those countries. What is Huawei going to do? But it's still going on. And all centers on one allegation, that Huawei uses its electronic devices, phones, routers, small devices, to collect information wherever it is put and sent back to the Chinese government. The main thing is the information goes to the Chinese government, not to Huawei company. But until now, there is no hard evidence that states that Huawei has been spying all over the world using its devices. But that's the US's allegations. And the short dramatic statements, it is said that in 2019, Apple will be shifting its production from China to India. Some of old phones of Apple, such as the iPhone SE, the iPhone 6, were produced in India, but currently they are saying they'll be shifting the production of high-end iPhones into India because of restrictions due to copyrights or patents with Qualcomm and other companies. I'm not sure if it's only Qualcomm, but that's the thing. And also reducing taxes because devices being made in China entering the US, which is the main market of Apple, is the United States. The taxation will be increasing, so it will be a major problem, and obviously the prices of iPhone have to increase. And also after the release of the Samsung foldable phone, I don't know what's its name. What is the name? Don't know. The foldable phone, which will be retailing for about $1,200, $1,900 and something dollars, like. Really? But also, it's because it's a prototype, it's first of its generation. We'll have to see about that. You've been with me, Vicent, and if it's the first time on the channel, please go down and press the subscribe button. And also, if you like the videos, press the thumbs button. And if you'd like to get more content from your host, Vicent, please press both the subscribe button and the bell icon. You've been with me, Vicent from #Yangu. I'm very, very sorry for the noise. My neighbors are very. See you in the next one. Vicent, #Yangu.